Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Brian Diasto. And for today's Tastes Review for episode 75, mga must-try drinks by Quarantea Iloilo. Quarantea Iloilo. A cup of blessing, serve affordable bubble milk tea here to satisfy your cravings. Despite the community, quarantine opens every day 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. They're located at 66 Mapa Street, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. They're also available via Angkas Padala 24/7, Maxim Delivery, Grab Food, and also Foodpanda app. For full list of menus and delivery details, I'll provide description down below. This episode is sponsored by Quarantea Iloilo. Disclaimer lang po, is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nose! So if here, drinks by Quarantea Iloilo. But before anything else, please do like this video and comment down below anong drinks gusto nyo try. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Kung may nakita kayong skip ads, skip ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po, wag nyo pong skip. So I'm very excited mga nos to taste test their products in each of their categories. Also, na initial taste test ko na din dun sa store nila noong last year. And also, sa lahat po ng series nila, large size, 22 ounce. So before tayo mag-start, mag-unboxing muna tayo at i-present ko yung gifts na binigay sa akin ng Quarantea Iloilo family. So, thank you so much. So, ito po yung gifts binigay sa akin. Po yung wooden straw or bamboo straw. Nalagay yung logo nila, yung Quarantea Iloilo. Nalagay dito, Tumiko from Quarantea Iloilo. Uy! Ay, ang galing. So, ito po yung binigay sa akin. Ayan. Parang facial or bath soap siya by Tinlo Handcraft Studio. So, ang ganda ng packaging. Dami niya mga nose. Kaya pala ang bango. Thank you so much by Tinlo Handcraft Studio for this. So, na-appreciate ko talaga siya. Sobrang na-touch ako at na-surprise ako kung binigay niyo sa akin. So, thank you so much. Okay, let's start. For first product, under classic category, this is Wintermelon milk tea for large size, 75 pesos. Very gooey texture yung pearls nila. Also, when it comes sa Wintermelon, ito, nasahan ko talaga yung tea essence for this drink. And also, hindi siya masyadong matamis, which is good for my taste. Next product, under classic series, the Java Chip Milk Tea for large size, 85 pesos. Yung Java Chip, ito yung nalasahan ko, parang mixture siya ng coffee, nutty flavor, and also for its chocolate. Ang sarap pala ng lasa. Hindi siya masyadong sweet. Tama yung balance sila. Our next product under coffee series, these are hazelnut macchiato for large size, 90 pesos. For your sinkers, they're using coffee jelly, which is perfect for this drink. And also very precise yung hazelnut flavor and essence for this product. Coffee flavor or taste. Hindi siya masyadong strong. Very moderate. Our next product under coffee series is our Cappuccino for large size, 90 pesos. Very creamy drink na to. Kahit coffee series siya. Coffee jelly, very smooth, very easy to eat. Comes sa coffee essence. Same for hazelnut macchiato. Very moderate lang yung strong or yung coffee essence for this product. Next product under cream cheese series, cream Oreo for large size, 90 pesos. Very distinctive yung overall ingredients and also for its taste, most especially for its cream cheese, yung Oreo granules, also for its sweetness, nasa tama yung proportion, well balanced siya for this drink. Next product under cream cheese series, these are cream avocado for large size, 95 pesos. Very creamy and very light na drink ito. Present yung avocado tea essence and also for its lapuyot feel, most especially yung combination for its cream cheese and also for avocado. Our next product under fruity series, these are Celestial Lychee for large size, 70 pesos. Ito very refreshing yung drink, tapos yung unang makikin sa akin is yung lychee flavor. So yung fruit jelly, very soft, tapos malasahan ko yung sweetness niya. Perfect match for next product under fruity series. These are Stellar Strawberry for large size, 70 pesos. Ito yung sweetness for strawberry. Ito tama lang yung proportion and also for its sugar level, very refreshing, excellent for my taste. For next product under Cloud series, these are Fluffy Okinawa for large size, 100 pesos. So ito po yung Cloud series nila, ayan. So very thick siya. Kaya pala naging Cloud series siya kasi yung top layer for this drink, nandun yung consistency, tas is sweetness, and also fluffy. When it comes sa Okinawa, nandun yung tea essence na hinanap ko, most especially for this drink. For our next product under Cloud series, these are Dreamy Matcha for large size, 100 pesos. Same din, ayan yung texture niya. Parang naging float milk niya siya for their Cloud series, and also same consistency and quality for its to their top layer for their Cloud. And when it comes sa matcha, pasok to sa standards ko. Nandun talaga yung downfeel and lapwit flavor when it comes sa matcha. For next product under Elite series, these are Taro Cheesecake for large size, 115 pesos. Ito tama yung lasa and also for its quality when it comes sa lapwit feel, yung taro essence, and also for its sweetness. Its cheesecake mas lalo naging creamy. For last but not the least product under Elite series, these are Ferrero Triple Chocolate for large size for 115 pesos. Ito very distinctive yung layers of chocolate, most especially yung Ferrero, richness, and overall quality. Okay, for rating mga nos, for all of their products in each of their series, I'll give it a perfect 10. So yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for healthy options and very refreshing drink, I would suggest yung fruit series nila, for Celestial Lychee, and also for Stellar Strawberry. And for coffee lovers, I would suggest their coffee series, most especially for Cappuccino and Hazelnut Macchiato. And when it comes to unique flavors, I would suggest yung Cloud series nila, Fluffy Okinawa, and also for Dreamy Matcha. And yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for their light and also creamy texture, I would suggest yung Cream Avocado, and also for Cream Oreo. For on-the-go products, I would suggest their classic for Wintermelon Milk Tea, and also for Java Chip Milk Tea. And yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for precise and also premium quality, I would suggest the Elite series for Taro Cheesecake and also for Ferrero Triple Chocolate. So thank you so much sa lahat po bumubuo for Quarantea Iloilo for this amazing and excellent quality of products. Ito, naging precise sila when it comes sa distinctive and also overall ingredients in each of their series. Ito, lahat sila nag-stand out. Kaya ito, personal pick ko for each of their flavors. So shout out po sa baristas and owners sa pag-prepare and also for overall presentation. So sa rider, for Maxim, sa pag-deliver and secure ng products ko on time. Thank you so much sa gifts na binigay nyo sa akin. So Quarantea Iloilo has good quality of products, very accommodating baristas and owners, budget-friendly, and is certified drinking nose standards approved. So once again, thank you and congratulations to Quarantea Iloilo. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!